Support and resistance. Support and resistance are two of the most important concepts you'll use when trading SPY. They help you identify where price is likely to pause, reverse, or break out, giving you a roadmap for understanding intraday price action. Let's start with support. Support is an area where SPY may stop falling and begin moving higher. It's a zone where buying pressure tends to increase, and buyers often step in to defend the price. As SPY approaches a support level, you may notice price slowing down, buyers becoming more active, and sometimes a reversal back to the upside. One important thing to remember is that support is a zone, not an exact price. Don't expect SPY to reverse at the same penny every time. Now, let's look at resistance. Resistance is an area where SPY may stop rising and begin pulling back. This is where selling pressure often increases as traders take profits or open new short positions. At resistance, you may see price rejection, increased selling pressure, failed breakout attempts, or a pullback lower. Just like support, resistance is also a zone, not a perfect line on your chart. So how do these levels form? Support and resistance develop because price repeatedly reacts at important areas. These can include previous highs and lows, intraday turning points, the opening range, consolidation zones, and psychological price levels like whole numbers. Generally, the more times price reacts to a level, the stronger that level becomes. Another important concept is called role reversal. When resistance is broken, it often becomes new support. Likewise, when support breaks, it frequently becomes new resistance. For example, SPY may break above resistance, pull back to test that same level, hold it as support, and then continue moving higher. That's a classic breakout pattern. So why are support and resistance so important? They help you identify higher probability entry areas, avoid chasing price after a big move, distinguish real breakouts from fake breakouts, and plan your trades before they happen instead of reacting emotionally. There are also a few common mistakes to avoid. Don't treat support and resistance as exact prices. Don't enter trades before you have confirmation. Avoid trading directly into strong support or resistance, and always pay attention to important levels on higher time frames. Here's a simple rule to remember. Always ask yourself, where is SPY most likely to react next? If you don't know where the next key support or resistance level is, you don't have a complete trade plan. Finally, remember that the goal isn't to predict every reversal perfectly. The goal is to identify important price zones, wait patiently for confirmation, and trade with structure and discipline. Support and resistance will be used throughout this entire course and will form the foundation for many of the breakout setups and trade alerts you'll learn later on.